Okay, so let's look at more hyperbole too. So, next Friday is never going to arrive. Next Friday. Friday is just never going to happen. We're waiting forever for Friday. It'll never come. Oh. But it will, mathematically. Literally, it will come. It's just, time feels so slow. Whew. Waiting. I've read this book 100 times. 100 times. I've read this book a lot of times. Or I've read this book too many times to count. 100 times. I've read it a lot. I've read it many times. Not as exciting. My hand hurts so much that it's going to drop off. They're in so much pain they might break. Drop off sounds more dramatic, more Shakespearean almost than my hand hurts. No, the pain is so unbearable. It's going to break off. My brother is stronger than iron. Stronger than iron. Stronger than iron. He is so strong. He is so strong. Okay. Stronger than iron. Now we're comparing it to something strong. We know it's strong. Iron. Stronger than iron. Faster than light. Taller than trees. Taller than trees. He is very tall. He is very tall. Taller than trees. I like that. Because we've got the TT. Taller than trees. Nice. Sounds more poetic. This nice hyperbole. Yeah. How cool is that? So she is my guardian angel. She is my guardian angel. She protects and helps me. She protects and helps me. Oh, all right then. Okay. Guardian angel. Ah, now I get you. I get you now. It has more of an oomph to it. More of an impact. Guardian angel. Protects and helps. Oh, okay, right. So what? Okay. Guardian angel. Sounds better. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.